I walked into my office and I saw this beautiful bouquet of flowers just for me. So I am in a state of joy. Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is none other than an organizing product haul review from the amazing collection, KonMari collection, from or by Marie Kondo. In my opinion, she's the one who kind of brought organization, the idea of it, the practicality of it into people's homes, into people's minds, because she kind of tied it up with a bow and made it more palatable, I guess, because it was all, she kind of focuses on like sparking joy and only keeping items that spark joy. So yeah, and there's more, and she goes more in depth. You have to read her book, but it's great. She's great. Anyway, she came out with a collection, and I remember hearing about this last year, and I was like, when it drops, I'm buying it. And when it dropped, I bought a few, and then I bought more. Honestly, I only bought like 7 items from her collection because a lot of her items are not even in stock, at least at the Container Store in my city. But she has a lot of products that she released, and she has a lot of great ones. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the products that I chose from her collection and give you guys my opinion of them. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first item on my list is this gorgeous bin. And if you don't know, I love bins. I love bins. And when I come across beautiful bins, I must add it to my collection. Yes, yes. So this is what she looks like. What's her name? Her name is, I don't want to mess this up. Judi bamboo pantry bin. This is what this is. So this bin is perfect for the closet and also for like the linen closet. I feel like it's soft but still a bit edgy. And she does have similar bins like this, but with the cloth interior. Those are better off in actually the linen closet and the closet because they have the cloth insert. So I guess, so basically these are for the pantry. Without the cloth insert, you can use them for the pantry, but I will use this in another place because I already have amazing bins in my pantry. I'm thinking of using these in Tony's closet whenever I make it over, whenever that is. It does have that like masculine element, but still very soft and like practical for a closet. So yeah, had to get this. It's so gorgeous. It's not only functional, it's also beautiful to look at. I actually displayed one on my living room bookcase for a while and I loved it there. But she's been moved and she's gonna go in Tony's closet whenever that closet gets organized. But yeah, she's gorgeous. I love it. I love the fact that she did brand this, but she branded it on the bottom, so it's not, there's no logo in your face. I love that because I feel like that's like a thing with products. And yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. Will always recommend, definitely will add this to my organizing product suggestions for my clients. It's such a beautiful and classic piece that I feel like will last for a very, very long time. Love her. And by the way, guys, her products are more so on the luxury side. So I don't think her products are for everyone. They are for individuals who are okay spending money on organizing products that they will hold on to for a long time. Not just for a season, but for a long time. Because that bin is about $30 to $35 for one bin. And that's pretty high compared to other bins out there that kind of give you the same feel and work the same. So do keep that in mind as I show you these products. Her products are more so on the higher end. So yeah. So the next product on my list is her drawer divider. So I actually have it right here. So this is the bamboo drawer divider. This is actually the deep one. She also does have a narrow one, and I actually have both. So this, I mean, just like any drawer divider, it does exactly what you need it to do. It's adjustable, so it can fit a short drawer, or it can fit a very long drawer. Well, not very long, but a long-ish drawer. I think it extends out to, I think this is 18 inches, I think. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at the mahogany color. It's bamboo, but I love the color. I love the wash. I feel like it just goes with a lot of different type of styles. I'll actually be using this in Sabria's drawer dresser. It fits in her dresser better than it does in ours. So I'll be using these in hers. And also I'm teaching her how to be a bit more organized. So this is definitely gonna help her with that, because now she'll have sections in her drawer and she'll know where everything goes. I'll also label it so it'll be easy for her. But this is such a beautiful piece. And even though it's going in a child's space, I feel like whenever we take it out, we can use it anywhere. It's just a beautiful piece. This is also great for the kitchen. I mean, if you have deep kitchen drawers, this is perfect for it. Just make sure you measure, because like I said, it doesn't fit in my drawer, but it does fit in Sabria's. So make sure you measure before you buy any type of drawer organizer. You want to make sure it fits. You do. The last thing you want to do is try to put it in your drawer and it doesn't fit. So measure your drawer first, but it's such a beautiful piece. I feel like it just kind of gives that style element to any space. And if you are someone who's into that, I think this is perfect for you. By the way, I know I mentioned in my vision board video that my birth element is earth. It's actually wood. It's actually wood. And all these products that I'm going to mention today fit within that. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. So the next item on my list is such a beautiful piece, and it's actually not opened yet because it doesn't fit, but I'm still going to mention it. And that is her bamboo flatware organizer and utensil organizer. And this is it right here. I'm going to have to get up. Okay, whew, here she is. I'm so sad that she doesn't fit because it's such a beautifully styled and created item, because it's 2 layered. So you can basically fit a lot of stuff, a lot of your flatware, a lot of your kitchen utensils in this. And I love multifunctional compact products that can fit a lot of stuff in it. And this is literally what it is. I just love it. But because my drawers are not as deep, it's like literally off by like a centimeter, and it just doesn't fit. But if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of drawers in your kitchen, but you do need a utensil drawer, I think this is amazing because you can fit more things in here. Therefore, you don't need to use 2 drawers to hold your flatware, even though we're not holding on to flatware we don't use, right? We're not. But this is such a gorgeous piece. I mean, it literally flows with all the other products I just showed you. The color's the same. It's just a beautiful and classic piece, and it speaks luxury, which y'all know I love. So yeah, I love it, but unfortunately it doesn't fit in my space. So I'm probably going to return it, which is why I haven't opened it yet. But I wanted to make sure I mentioned her because she's such a good piece, and trust me, if I could use it, I would be using it right now. Oh, she's so beautiful. I feel like a lot of items I've been showing you are kitchen items, because the next one I'm going to show you is literally a ceramic canister, which is typically for the kitchen. 1 and 2. Okay. So honestly, I'm not a ceramic girl. I hardly ever even pay attention to ceramic items. But the reason why this caught my eye, honestly, was because of the wood element, which is in the lid, and it's suction, which I'm a sucker for suction. Suction. Plus there's suction, meaning whatever goes in here is gonna stay fresh, which I love. This is just a beautiful piece. I mean, again, this is usually an item that I never would buy, but because of the wood elements, I feel like it kind of flows with my kitchen. It spoke to me, guys. This item spoke to me. So my goal is to use this actually on our kitchen island. I wanted to bring some white elements into the kitchen since it's very dark, and I feel like this does exactly that beautifully. They do come in black, and usually I would go for the black because I love anything black. I feel like the white one would bring more light into the space, which is why I went for this. So the sizes that these come in are large, medium, and small. They didn't have any more medium sizes, so I went for the large one, which was $19.99. And then, ooh, really heavy, by the way, very good quality. And then I went for the small one, which was $12.99. So I'm thinking of adding salt to this one and then adding like some cookies or something in the large one, and I'll just keep them out on the island so they're easily accessible. I've already styled them in my kitchen, and I feel like they look so beautiful. I love them. So the next product on my list is a shoe rack. Yes, I bought a shoe rack. So this is her. Hello. She's pretty long, which I love. And one thing about me is I love a shoe rack that has flat shelves. I do not buy slanted shoe racks. I do not buy shoe racks that have bars or mesh. No, I love shoe racks that are solid, that are structured and simple, because for me, that means that they can fit more shoes on it and they're durable, which is very important when it comes to shoe racks, because I have gone through so many shoe racks that were so just flimsy, and no, I don't deal with that. So anyway, I can't. So when I saw her shoe rack, I was like, this is exactly what I've been looking for. And honestly, this shoe rack is gonna be going into Sabria's closet, another product going into her space. I mean, she doesn't even understand the beauty and the quality that these products are, but you know what, that's okay. At least she'll grow up around some good quality stuff. But I'm gonna put this in her closet because she needs a shoe rack, and I wanted to go for something that was soft but not too girly, since she's getting older and I feel like her style is kind of changing, and I thought that this will fit perfectly in her space. If we don't end up using it in her space, this will go perfectly in our laundry room, in the front door and the entranceway. And also this shoe rack does grow, so it is a stackable shoe rack, so you can add shoe racks upon shoe racks to create a larger shoe rack, which is amazing. I feel like it also can be a shelving system for some people. So this is just a beautiful piece that I'm so happy I came across. When I saw it in the store, I was like, exactly what I've been looking for. And yeah, I feel like the cost was about $40, $39.99. And I feel like it's a good price for what it is, because usually like similar items go for similar prices. And like I said, her collection is more so on the luxury side. So $40 makes sense when it comes to a shoe rack of this style. And I love it, it's beautiful. So the last organizing product from her collection is probably the most beautiful and the product that I love the most from her collection, and that is the jewelry box. Here she is, she's right here. She's heavy too. She's a heavy one. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Whew. Here she is. Here she is. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, when I saw her, I was like, I didn't even think about it. I got it. So if you saw my vlog, you probably saw when I bought this. I don't know if I think I did add it. Oh, she's so gorgeous. So anyway, so if you don't know, I created a video, 3 simple ways to organize your jewelry, and I'll put her here. And in that video, I showcased different jewelry boxes and jewelry inserts to use to organize your jewelry, which already shows you that I love jewelry organizers. So when I saw this one, I was like, this is such a beautiful piece, because not only is it aesthetically pleasing, which means you can put it anywhere and it's gonna fit within the space, it is functional. Does it come out? Okay, it does come out, but I'm not gonna take it out. The top drawer is like for your smaller jewelry, so your rings, maybe some bracelets, some more so dainty jewelry. And then on the bottom is for your much larger jewelry, which, you know, watches or like those chunkier necklaces or bracelets. And also there's this gorgeous insert that can also be for more dainty jewelry. I love this jewelry box. It's so well thought of, which I think is so important when someone is creating products, are the details. And the details are gorgeous. I'll actually be displaying this jewelry box on my shelf in my office because it flows with the aesthetics of my office. Like, it's gorgeous. It has linen elements, it has wooden elements. It's just a beautiful decorative piece outside of the functionality, which is why I was so drawn to it. So I love this jewelry box. It was about $100 to $120, so it's pretty high up there. But I feel like it's one of those pieces that will last with you for a long time. And for me, I love getting pieces that are very multifunctional, that are that have longevity, because those are the pieces that you are gonna see in my home for a very, 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 very long time. I'm so happy with her. Okay, I think that's it. The KonMari collection is a beautiful collection full of products for all spaces in your home. She has products for your kitchen, your pantry, your bedroom, your closet, your office. What else? What am I missing? Really for any space in your home. But it is not necessary for you to buy all of them. You can just buy the products that you feel will bring joy into your home, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg. There's so many different type of products for different type of people. I don't think that you have to go out and buy a boatload of products. I bought 7 from her collection and sort of spent a lot of money on them, but you don't have to spend a lot of money on them because there's a lot of other products that do the same thing. So basically her products are more aesthetically pleasing. So if you're looking for aesthetically pleasing products that are more so on the luxury side, I think this collection is for you. But if you're someone who doesn't really care, you just want organizing products that do the job, I would say go another route. But again, her products are for those individuals who like spending money on products, who like the aesthetically pleasing aspect of products, and also the functionality of products, because I do believe her products are very functional. They are well designed. They are just classic luxury pieces. I love her products, and these are products that I probably will continue buying in my space and suggesting to clients, but I don't think it's for everyone. So please keep that in mind. If you want to add products to your space, measure them first. Make sure they are in your budget, and then you can go out and buy them. Don't just buy them because you saw this video and you're like, oh my gosh, I need it. No, make sure it makes sense for your pockets, for your space before you go out and buy them. That's what I'm gonna say, and I'm sticking with it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have gone into the Container Store and seen her collection, or if you've already ordered some items from her collection. Let me know in the comment section below. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.